In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Stripe integration with HubSpot. If you're looking to manage your payments seamlessly through HubSpot, integrating Stripe is a great way to go. So let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, navigate over to your HubSpot account. You'll want to head to the Home section. This is your starting point. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand menu. You'll see various options, but what you're interested in is the More section. This is where you can find additional features that HubSpot offers. After clicking More, you'll see a new list of options. From here, select Commerce. This section is dedicated to managing all your business transactions and commerce-related activities, which makes it the perfect place to set up your payment processes. Once you've entered the Commerce section, the next step is to click on Payments. This is a crucial step because it takes you to the area where you can handle all payment-related activities. Here, you'll find everything you need to initiate and manage payments through HubSpot. Now, you'll see an option that says Set up Payments. Go ahead and click on that. This step is essential because it guides you through the process of setting up your payment gateway. By setting this up, you're preparing to connect your Stripe account to HubSpot, which is what allows you to start processing payments seamlessly. At this point, you should see an option to Connect your Stripe. Clicking on this will begin the integration process. If you already have a Stripe account, you will be prompted to log in and authorize the connection. If you don't have a Stripe account yet, you'll have the opportunity to create one during this step. Connecting Stripe to HubSpot allows your business to handle transactions directly through your HubSpot interface, providing a streamlined experience for both you and your customers. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated Stripe with HubSpot. This integration not only simplifies the payment process, but also keeps all of your transaction data within one platform, allowing for better tracking and management. Remember, having your payments set up properly is key to running a smooth business operation. So take your time to familiarize yourself with the setup and ensure everything is working as it should. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in getting your Stripe integration up and running on HubSpot. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out for support. Happy integrating!